So I guess I made it to the Netflix documentary on America's Next Top Model. I woke up and I'm like, what is going on? I'm getting messages like, you made it to the documentary. You're in there. This thing just dropped. I don't know what video that they included in there. Someone told me that they showed me a few times. Was not expecting that. Can I just start this off by saying, I never expected to be included in any kind of way. People were asking me, did they reach out to you? Did they ask to use footage? No. No one reached out to me about this. I didn't know it was being made. I never expected to be reached out to. And honestly, I knew at some point they would make some kind of documentary about this show. Just because and I said it in my reaction videos, it's like, how did they get away with this for so long? The stuff that they did. I don't know what videos they used. All I know is that people have been sending me messages nonstop about it. Someone DM'd me the exact timestamps that I'm in, so I'm going to be taking a look at that today. I'm going to go through a few questions that I got about this whole thing. Again, did you know? I didn't have any idea, but I never expected, nor do I expect to be part of it in any way. The models are the ones who should be part of the documentary. Their voices should be heard. They're the ones who should have that platform. And also the judges, I definitely want to hear from the judges and know what they think about the show many years later. Do they regret anything that they did? Do they think they went too far? Also, it wasn't just me who was making the reaction videos. People like Oliver Twix, Luxaria, they were making videos as well. And not only highlighting what the show was doing, but also giving the models a platform. Like, especially Oliver. He spoke to so many girls. He's so insightful about the show, way more than I am. I watch the show like out of order too. He is so knowledgeable about the show, and he's talked to so many of the models and goes really in depth on their experiences and interviews. And I think those creators are so important because, again, they put the spotlight on the models and the wrongdoings of the show. So I like to think that the community, the YouTube community, helped impact this in even a small way. If we were able to make some kind of impact, I think that's great. But again, focus should be on the models and them being able to share their story. For this video, I'm just going to be reacting to the clips that I'm in. Someone sent me timestamps. So hopefully they don't copyright claim me reacting to my own content. So hopefully, like, them claiming my videos in their documentary would be kind of crazy. But we'll see. I just watched an advertisement. If I have to watch another advertisement, I'm going to... That's so obnoxious.
Hypothermia in a pool. How does that happen?
They've accepted that, okay, my health is second to this competition.
I'm actually shocked.
Okay, so they used the clip of me saying my health is second to this competition. They accepted that. The models... I can't tell you which video that's from. It's one of my reaction videos. That's crazy. I don't know who on the Netflix team had to sift through all my reaction videos and find that one clip. But I think that's a good one. I think that's a good one. And it's true that the show, a lot of the times, did not care what the models were going through. If they had 104-degree fever or were feeling sick, had food poisoning, it didn't matter to them on the show. Okay, the next one, 2650. Why do I have to watch another advertisement? That's crazy. I literally pressed it for 10 seconds.
To essentially demand from her.
It just shows how out of touch Tyra is.
And the irony...
Did Tyra hear me say that? Did Tyra watch this? Me saying that she's out of touch? She's not gonna watch. She's not gonna watch this. She doesn't. Or did she? That's crazy. That's crazy that they put that one in there. I kind of love that. Yeah, I love that. Tyra is out of touch. She didn't care, and then now they have her on this documentary. I don't know what. I never watched it yet, but I'm gonna assume and guess that they're not gonna take any accountability, especially Tyra, because taking accountability means that you did something wrong. Like, you're admitting that. And they're not going to do that. They're definitely not. They might reframe it and say, okay, but, at the time it was because of this. But they're not going to straight up say, hey, okay, we did. I'm sorry. Don't expect an apology. There were a lot of people saying that they're trying to rewrite history. I do agree with that. It's like, if you're not gonna own up to what you did, then why are we doing this? Okay, love whoever picked that clip out. I eventually want to do a full reaction video to the actual documentary, but the problem is that if you know about the YouTube like copyright system, the second you put Netflix, especially Netflix content like video in your like YouTube video, you're blocked. You become blocked. You have to like do a dispute and this whole thing, and good luck to you for that video to come out. Let me work on getting this review from the documentary out. However, I'm going to do that. I have no idea how I'm going to do that. If I can react to the documentary without being copyright claimed and the video being blocked, I will definitely do that. I'll do everything I can. Maybe I'll have to like summarize some parts of it, but I'm going to work on that, you guys. I'll try my best. I'm editing a lot of these and it takes a long time, but just know that it's in the works. No spoilers, you guys, because I still have to watch the documentary. Even though I was not expecting myself to be in this, but people were messaging me, so I felt like I can't like act surprised. In both clips, I never lied once. Never. There's a reason I was featured 2 times in there. They put like a 2-second clip. I'm like, there's a reason I'm in there. The Netflix team wanted me in there. What can I say? I don't know. I'm like in 2 seconds collectively. I'm like, just to let you know, I'm in a Netflix documentary now. Just to let you know.